Hi everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. If you're having trouble with Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, like the game not loading, getting stuck at 0%, 10%, or 20%, or seeing the error message, too many users are trying to connect at the same time, you're not alone. Let me guide you step by step on what's happening and what you can do. Step 1. Understand the issue first. It's important to know that this is a known issue reported by Microsoft. The problem occurs when too many players are trying to access the game at once, causing server overloads. To confirm this, you can visit x.com, formerly Twitter, and check the official Microsoft Flight Simulator support page for updates. Microsoft has acknowledged the problem and is actively working on resolving it. Step 2. Why troubleshooting won't work right now. Because this is a server-side issue, typical troubleshooting methods like restarting your game, your PC, or your internet connection won't resolve it. The servers themselves are experiencing high traffic, so it's not a problem on your end. Microsoft hasn't provided an estimated time for the fix yet, so patience is key. Step 3. What you can do in the meantime. While waiting for the servers to stabilize, here are a few things you can try. Retry. After a while, wait for 30 minutes to an hour, then attempt to load the game again. Stay updated. Follow the official Microsoft Flight Simulator support page on x.com to get real-time updates on the issue. Check server status. Visit websites like downdetector.com to see if other users are reporting the same issue. Step 4. Avoid reinstallation. Some users might think uninstalling and reinstalling the game will help. This won't fix the server problem and could waste time if the servers stabilize while you're reinstalling. So to summarize, this is a known issue caused by server overload. Microsoft is working on a fix, and we need to be patient. Check back in an hour, stay updated on social media, and avoid unnecessary troubleshooting. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie for more easy-to-follow guides. See you in the next video.